Hello, everyone! Today we're diving into Fotor, a powerful AI art generator. This tool uses artificial intelligence to transform your photos into stunning artwork. With Fotor, you can easily create unique, personalized art pieces without any technical skills. Whether you are a professional designer, an artist, or even a hobbyist, Fotor is designed to bring your creativity to life. Let's delve deeper to understand what makes it stand out in the world of AI art generators. Fotor AI Art Generator is packed with features. It has a wide range of styles, from classical to contemporary, offering limitless creativity. Its AI engine can accurately analyze and reproduce the essence of different art styles. The generator is easy to use with a user-friendly interface. It supports high-resolution images and delivers fast processing times. Moreover, it offers customization options, allowing you to tweak the intensity of the art styles applied. Fotor offers both free and premium versions. The free version provides access to basic features with some limitations. For full access to all features and styles, you can upgrade to the premium version. The pricing is competitive and offers good value for money, considering the quality of the artwork produced. They also offer a trial period for users to test the premium features before committing to a subscription. The Fotor AI Art Generator is ideal for a variety of use cases. It's a great tool for graphic designers who want to create unique digital art. Photographers can transform their photos into stunning pieces of artwork. Businesses can use it to create unique marketing materials. Even hobbyists can use Fotor to create personalized gifts or home decor. It's a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of creative needs. There are several advantages to using Fotor. Its AI technology delivers high-quality results that truly capture the essence of different art styles. It offers a high degree of customization, giving you control over the final output. The tool is user-friendly, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Finally, its competitive pricing makes it a cost-effective solution for creating personalized artwork. Despite its benefits, Fotor does have some limitations. The free version has limited styles and features. High-resolution output is only available in the premium version. Also, while Fotor is user-friendly, mastering the customization settings might require a learning curve. Lastly, as with any AI tool, the results may not always meet your specific expectations. Fotor AI Art Generator is a versatile and powerful tool that uses AI to create stunning artwork. It offers a wide range of styles and customization options. The tool is user-friendly and competitively priced. While it does have some limitations, its benefits outweigh the downsides, making it a valuable tool for creatives of all types. In conclusion, Fotor AI Art Generator is a comprehensive tool that brings a unique blend of technology and art. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Fotor can help you create stunning, personalized artwork. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating.